India's DRDO is developing a new armed drone called Archer, based on the Rustam-1 tactical UAV. The drone is being modified to carry anti-tank and anti-personnel missiles. It has achieved an altitude of 20,000 feet in tests and is expected to be ready for initial weaponized flight tests by June 2024. India has successfully developed a rectangular-bore electromagnetic railgun powered by a capacitor bank consisting of 10 capacitors. The railgun has the potential to launch projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 5, revolutionizing warfare. The rectangular bore design and capacitor bank technology are novel approaches that could improve the system's performance and longevity. India's development of this advanced railgun demonstrates its commitment to innovation in military technology. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has successfully completed the Preliminary Design Review, PDR, for the Naval Anti-Ship Missile Medium Range, NASM-MR, indigenous Indian anti-ship missile being developed for the Indian Navy. This milestone marks a significant step forward in the development of the NASM-MR and paves the way for wind tunnel testing to finalize the aerodynamic configuration of the missile. A significant step forward has been taken in the development of India's indigenous 13-ton intermediate multi-role helicopter IMRH program, as the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) has decided to outsource the entire airframe, including the cabins, to private sector companies. This move marks a shift towards embracing the Special Purpose Vehicle (SPV) model, fostering collaboration between public and private entities in the aerospace industry. The Indian military is facing a shortage of assault rifles, primarily due to delays in the production of the AK-203 rifles and issues with the performance of the Sig Sauer rifles that were previously procured. To address this shortage, the Indian military has decided to upgrade its existing inventory of INSAS rifles. The INSAS rifle, which was developed indigenously in the 1990s, has been plagued by various issues, including jamming and overheating. However, the Indian military believes that upgrading the INSAS rifle is a more cost-effective and time-efficient solution than procuring new rifles.